I absolutely fucking hate being home alone with this weather. This shit is threatening. This wind is horrible. And it's just supposed to get worse overnight. Yeah. Well, I probably won't be getting much sleep tonight. Oh, I hate it. Go away. Bingen said, I'm okay with it right now, Mama. Now the cat, it's another story. The bitch is probably in my closet ruining some more of my clothes. She's not really bothered by it either yet. She been here all day, though. Oh, Lola. What'd I tell you? There she is in my closet. Get the fuck out of my closet. Callie!